Hi everyone, how are we doing today? Hope all is well with you and your family. Whichever part of the world you are tuning in, whether morning or evening, great day to you, great night to you. I do hope you had a wonderful day or having a wonderful day, and I do hope that you would have a wonderful day in case you are not tuning in the morning. Now, I am your girl Gazelle here, and I will be talking to you about these phenomenal products we have here. We have the Iosity and we have the Resolution Drop. All right. Most of you who know me as an independent business owner. But today, I will talk to you about my experience with these two products. And these two products here, these products combined here, is called the Control Kit, right? I will be posting my picture after this video so that you can see my results when I use, well, my result from these two products. All right. Now, I started the IASO T in August 2018, and I combined these two products in September. Okay, so I was utilizing the IASO T first because I was testing it out, and then I moved over to the Resolution Drop. All right, I have known about the Iosity, not the Resolution Drop. I have known about the Iosity over a year now, but I was too busy to give in the time to actually look into the benefits of this product. Now, the Iosity, some persons calling it IASO, but not Lasso. It's not Lasso tea. It is IASO. It is IASO. Based on which country you're from, persons pronounce it differently, but it is not Lasso. Anywho, this detox tea, this detox tea here, it cleans out your digestive tract. Yeah, it also cleans out your liver, your lungs, your gallbladder. When I say digestive tract, I mean everything. It also relieves gastrointestinal distress. I experienced that. It is not a pretty sight. It is not a pretty experience to actually go through that. It also soothes inflammation. It also improves health skin. It reduces on, let's say, the risk of catching cancer. It has a lot of benefits. Yeah, a lot of benefits. And while being on this product, this phenomenal product, I receive more energy. Yeah, I receive more energy. I am not lackadaisical like before. I was really laid back. But it gives me a boost as well. The Resolution Drop, it is a gastric bypass in a bottle, but I love to call it a liposuction. Yeah, it's a liposuction, people. It's great. It's a fat burner that targets your midsection, and it suppresses your appetite and food cravings that you have. So it more targets your midsection. Guess what? I was worried that I'm going to lose my bum. I was so worried whether or not if I'm going to lose my bum, but I didn't lose my bum. It only targets the midsection. So if you really want to lose that midsection, the Resolution Drop is the bomb diggity. Yeah, it works wonders. So these two products combined here is the Control Kit. Yes, I said the Control Kit is coming soon. And five packet equates to 1 month supply. 1 month supply. So you have 5 packet, 1 month supply, and the resolution. So these two products, these two combined products, they last you for a month. All right. So if you are interested in purchasing these two products or the control kit, you can message me, inbox me, or WhatsApp me. For those of you who have my number, you can WhatsApp me and we can discuss this further. But take a look. It's funny. Take a look at my before and after photo, and you're gonna see the results yourself. All right, these two products are so amazing, so phenomenal, and it is a life changer. I remember a very close friend of mine was like, ISOT, really? I am so scared of that. But after doing their research, they was like, wow, they have to try it. Yeah. So a lot of people was in doubt. However, some persons are bold enough to actually purchase and try it themselves. I also got reviews from persons who said they feel great. They feel amazing. Yes, persons in my region, they are enjoying these products. All right? They are. So if you're interested in purchasing your supply, you can message me, you can WhatsApp me, right? Or you can call me. Those of you who have my number, right? So this is Cassell, and I am tuning out. So have a wonderful evening. You can like, you can share these products. I'm telling you, these products are phenomenal, and you would get unbelievable results. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you soon. This is the control kit. Don't forget this. If you want to purchase your supply separately, it's up to you. All right. If you just want to detox yourself, that is okay. You can also purchase the ISO tea. So those who want to detox, you can also purchase the tea. And those who would like to lose weight, you can also purchase a tea. You can also purchase the resolution drop. Remember, it is drop here. This is the bomb diggity. It is a liposuction in a bottle. So I'm going to talk to you soon. Be safe, be kind to one another, and be healthy. Good night, everyone.